Finally got the CSL trunk. Gonna be installing it, right?
Yep.
Are you gonna help?
Yeah.
So first, what does it look like? Do you want me to take this off?
Yeah, because it's, I don't know how this hooks up to the wiring.
So first it looks like we have to take off this carpeting here to get underneath all the wiring, get it all unplugged. So we'll do that. Right. So we're gonna start taking these bad boys off, if I can. So unplugging this thing, it's getting stuck right there. The carpet and toolbox out. Gonna start dealing with the wiring here. Looks like you need to connect it right there. And oh, those are like the inner light things, huh? These. I mean, I've replaced them before, so it's not too hard. I think that should just come out, that little thing right there. Right?
Should.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yank that out, and I think it's connected to like all these small little things. I think we just have to undo them all. Like all this random stuff. I think. Get the taillight one out.
Yeah.
How does it come out?
It's a little tab. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So after we're done with all the wiring, come back. We got the wiring harness out. I think it's a harness. All the wires are out. So the trunk is pretty much bare. Right? We gotta undo these, what, T30s? T20s again?
T30 maybe?
T30.
Yeah.
Right? Take those off, take the trunk off. Then you can take the small things off, like lock the upper or the inner tail lights. Shouts out build journal. Alright. Gonna start at 230. Just undo. Oh, if I can't. Nope. That's not working. Try it. Oh. Put this down. Yeah, we'll just put a wing on instead.
Got it.
No more trunk. This is it. End of video. No, the trunk's off. It's time to put this one on. You ready?
It's funny.
You ready?
All set.
So the trunk is loosely fitted. All those are on. Let's see. Looks good. Alright. So, oh yeah. The whole wire trick. So we connect these wires right here to that wiring. Right?
Yeah.
Run it through.
Yeah, otherwise you're not going to be able to pull it through.
And then these wires will be all good to go.
Fish them out.
So with the wire connected to the other wire, gonna run it through. Right? Make sure the clip's in there. It's fitting.
Yeah.
That's it. So now just gotta pull it through. It's done. Now we're trying to get the lock mechanism out. I'm not sure how. Pretty stumped. But the trunk's gonna look good. Oh yeah.
Lower it a little bit. Again.
So now we're putting the inner tail lights back in. So it's getting on. So it's a little tricky. Move it up. For easy install. You want to let that like lip side go on first. Yeah.
Okay.
Carpet's back in finally. And now it's time to see how it fits when we close. Haven't quite tightened those down yet. My keys are right there, so just in case. Here, it's filming right now, so you can just see how. Oh, everything's connected, so I can close it all the way.
Yeah. Okay. Shuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly. I mean, the fitment looks pretty damn good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Right?
A little bit less here.
What do you mean?
Gap.
Oh, is there more of a gap right
A
there?
little bit more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we can move it that.
Move it over.
Move it right
this
a
way,
little
yeah.
bit. But I mean, for now.
It fits.
God dang.
Yeah. Looks good. Mm-hmm.
So after installing everything, this is how it fits. The fitment's not amazing. Like there's a pretty big gap right there. And kind of juts out, but other than that, it fits not terrible. And it looks amazing. It looks good. So I'm just gonna take this emblem off. Gotta put my license plate on and should be pretty donezo. And so here's what the trunk looks like in the light. All cleaned up. Looks so good.